Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Storms moved through on Monday and they packed a punch. We saw some strong wind gusts with those storms as they rolled through Monday evening, especially in parts of the valley like Glendale and Deer Valley, where our wind gusts were upwards of 70 miles an hour. Now, as far as rainfall Monday night, only 1/100th of an inch of rain actually fell at Phoenix Sky Harbor, our official rain gauge. But other spots did end up with more rainfall, especially right around the Loop 101 in the Northeast Valley up near Cave Creek. Also Anthem, as those areas got the heavier rainfall. And we had scattered rain almost across most of the Phoenix metro in the Southeast Valley, Central Phoenix, and the West Valley too. But again, at the official rain gauge, not a whole lot at Phoenix Sky Harbor. That's what happens during these monsoon storms. Not everybody gets rainfall, unfortunately. But there is a chance for more storms, not just today, but through the course of the work week. Today it will be hot and humid. You can expect more mountain storms, and there's a chance we'll get a few stray valley storms as we go into the evening. Our storm chance at 10% today as Phoenix tops out at 107 this afternoon. Winds out of the west between about 5 and 15 miles an hour. Our temperature today a couple degrees above the 30-year average for this time of year, and luckily well below the record 115. High pressure sitting to our northwest, and with that the wind flow around that will determine the storm movement today, and we will likely see storms develop along the rim, and you can see those winds flowing from east to west. So there's a potential, again, like yesterday, for storms to work off the Mogollon Rim and into the valley. And that'll be the trend today, but also going into tomorrow, we've got that potential for storms to work off the Mogollon Rim. Plus, we could see a little bit more activity tomorrow in southeast Arizona, and that will also keep that dust threat in the forecast. Now, today's storm chances looking a little lower for the valley, but we're not in the clear. Again, expect scattered storms to develop along the rim, and those storms will slowly move from east to west, possibly working their way into the valley by this evening, with a 10% chance for storms here in the Phoenix metro as we go into the evening. Better chances likely after about 6 p.m., even 7 p.m. this evening. That's when that 10% chance really looks a little bit better. Overall, even though the storm threat is a little lower today, any storms that do develop will still have the potential of producing some strong winds, blowing dust, heavy rain, and at least some localized flooding. The moderate threat for today for those storm threats, so be on the lookout for that. Tomorrow, our storm chance is back up to 20%. We'll keep a 10 to 20% chance for storms in the forecast through Friday. Saturday is looking drier. Sunday, those storm chances start to go back up, and Monday potentially a little bit more active when we talk about that monsoon storm threat. So something we'll be watching over the next few days, but really you'll want to stay weather aware as that potential is there for storms on a daily basis here in the valley. Today, an ozone high pollution advisory is in effect again. That means ozone concentrations look to reach unhealthy levels for people with breathing sensitivities. It looks like we're back under that high pollution advisory on Wednesday before possibly getting some improvement by Thursday. An ozone health watch will be possible by Thursday, so keep that in mind. Highs today again near 107 in most valley cities. A few spots may get just a bit hotter, up to 108 in spots like Surprise. 107 here in Phoenix, 90 in Prescott, Sedona, hitting 99. Could see those triple digits out in Safford. Overnight tonight, upper 80s for lows here in Phoenix, down into the low 70s in Sedona. And across the valley tomorrow morning, another start in the 80s. So overall, not too bad as we kick off the mornings with those temperatures in the 80s. The afternoons just shy of 110 every single day through the week, into Saturday even. Those daily storm chances through Friday, a break Saturday, and then we bring those storm chances back up as temperatures fall a bit by early next week.